So I've got a basket full of seeds, and these can be sown during June. So what have we got? So we've got broccoli and sprouting broccoli, Calabrese. These can be sown in well drained soil in a cell tray and plant out when we've got space available, maybe where broad beans come from. And purple sprouting broccoli can be sown. Also spring onions can be sown March to June, and these can be done successional sowing directly in the ground. We got Rabi, this weird shape. This is purple Vienna, can be sown direct February to July and looks pretty good. Lovely shapes and sizes, really good. Then we can do the Chinese cabbage, kohlrabis, and planting these. They appear within a week and ready for quick harvest. Fennel, we can do fennel. This is D. forens, May to July, and romesco, pure white, large bulbs. And also early June is the latest time we can do our pumpkins. They need plenty of warm days to develop. This is jack-o'-lantern. Use a tall pot, compost, add your pumpkin seed on its edge, cover, water. Alternatively, sow direct into your bed where you want it to grow. Cover up, there we go. Carrots, we can still do carrots. The warm soil now is a great time to sow carrots. Amsterdam too, can be sown January to July. Or even try some short stocky ones like Chantilly, red cord. Radish. Radish is always a good option. That can be done pretty much March to September. White icicle or flamboyant. Runner beans grow quite fast. Get them in quick, and we'll be sowing these and harvesting them in autumn. Sow runner beans in a tray, placing them in on the side, one per tray, or use a pot, cover, 7 to 10 days, they will grow, and then put them into some nice bright light. Autumn. And we've also got chard, Swiss chard. The young leaves are great for salads. You can also do kale, which can be planted out in June. Also some herbs like parsley, coriander, basil and dill. They will grow pretty quickly outdoors. They can be ready for growing in a few weeks. So along with the vegetables, we can still go some beetroot. We still do salad leaves, lettuce, mustard, and we can still even get some beetroot in the ground. On the flowers, we've got poached egg plant. These are lovely white and yellow flowers and are really lovely, easy to grow, and will self-seed freely in the garden. Nasturtiums can be done, colourful and easy to grow in the garden, great for filling the borders and train. And sunflowers are not too late for growing in the garden. A great activity to grow with your kids, with children, get them involved. Calendula, this is great for the garden, lovely and colourful. These can be sown from March right through to June. And then we can also think about doing the biennials for next year. So we could do foxgloves, pansies, wallflowers and hollyhocks. And we can also do forget-me-nots, candy tuft, and still not too late for the poppies. So will you be growing any of my top picks for June? Let me know what you're growing in the comments below.